Alright, so I'm back. It's live of Avinci living in St. Lucia. And guess what? I am heading home for a few weeks. Yes, so I'm leaving St. Lucia, heading to St. Vincent, to spend a little time with the family and friends, try to catch up back on some old things. You know how it is. Just me greeting my peoples at the airport in Hiranura, entering the aircraft, enjoying the scenic, view from the top. Yes, that's overlooking Viewfort, St. Lucia as I leave. Enjoying myself, just a short trip over. Soon as I landed, I went to see my little nephew. That's Andre. Yeah, of course, I went to look for him, make sure that he's okay. I went to a funeral, yes, so that's all well dressed. And I even went to my sister-in-law's graduation. She graduated from the St. Vincent and the Grenese Community College, so congrats to her. And of course, I had to, have a good time, enjoying the company of my friends, who I haven't seen for a good while, so I went, of course, by one of the famous outlets in Mesopotamia. That's Ryan's Bar. Enjoying myself there with the area representative and a friend of mine, just chit-chatting a little bit. That's Mr. Jimmy Prince there. Yes, and of course, with my good friend, my girl, Dean, just enjoying myself with my other partner there, my boy Biggie, in the back there, enjoying himself. We're doing our thing, me and Roderick. Yeah, those are my peoples there, man, from Mesopotamia. Yeah, that's the valley. That's where I'm born and raised. Yes, and of course, it was around the carnival time, so this is just a few pics of the children's carnival. They call it Kiddies Carnival, they put on their masks and their costumes and they do their thing. This is an event in Richland Park called Jiggy Friday, they have this sort of event every Friday evening into the wee hours of Sunday morning. Lit. Met up with this brother of mine, man. Yes. He's a former police officer. Has his own business going on out right now. They call him the Black Syrian. One of these days I'll put up some of his stuff so you could see. I met travel with Zoe. She was in St. Vincent for the activities. I only took in this event. This was the finals of the Calypso. Yeah, so I was, very, very much enjoyed it. Yeah, with a very good, sweet friend of mine. And we both enjoyed that activity that I went to there. This is just a few of the performers on that particular evening. And as I said, all in all, it was a very, very nice event, very, very good event. I enjoyed that much. This one is the next day. They call this one the Juve. So early in the morning, the people, they go out on the road with their music and, they dance, they enjoy themselves the way that they could have. I just stood by and just took the photos and video clips so that I could show you some of the activities that happens in St. Vincent around this time. Yeah. So just chilling there with some of my peoples right there at Heritage Square. And this later on in the afternoon, this was the Monday band jump up. This was one of the t-shirt bands. I think this one was the Guinness band. Yeah, they had several other t-shirt bands. I think they have Musty Company had one, Hot 97. That's the radio station. They have also a t-shirt band. Met up with some Lucian friends of mine. They were in St. Vincent for their activities. Of course, man, they got to come over. This one was Tuesday evening, the final evening. The Mardi Gras. After the Mardi Gras, they had some music on the compound of the Bank of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. All good things must come to an end. This is me getting ready to leave, getting at the airport, and taking my flight out of AIA back to St. Lucia.